Welcome to Figs RC, and we're out on the trails today with the Rgt Rescuer. Now, I haven't done much mods apart from some brass on the front and on the rear. It's still the stock servo, still running stock motor, but I have changed the ESC to a 1080 Hobbywing. Just found it a lot better than the stock ESC that comes with the truck. It's pretty average, to be honest, especially when you put some more weight in it, like scale accessories and brass weights. So yeah, it is a good upgrade to go to the 1080 ESC, get a bit more drag brake, and I run it on a 3-cell 5200 Yumi at the moment. Big pack, but I'm just mainly trailing with it. I'm not doing anything stupid with it. But it's been a good truck, and just trying out some new shoes today. We've got just some alley wheels with some blue camera around, some blue Injora inserts, silicone inserts, and they're going okay. The offset's a little bit out, so you can sort of see, I guess, it's not quite inside the guard. I had some other narrower tyres on it, some Vanquish rims with the standard tyres on it. It was really good because they fit up into the guard, but I'm yet to trim out the front windows just to look like they're half down. I've still got my driver and interior in there, and my little scale accessories, and of course my antenna is from Twisted Tree RC in America. That's kind of cool. He makes some wicked little antennas if you're interested. And yeah, apart from that, nothing crazy with the truck. I just like it the way it is. It's the scale looks of it, and it has quite scale performance, which I like. So anyway, stay tuned, enjoy the video, and we'll catch up with you again. Sorry I haven't been out doing as much videos lately. It's just having some problems with my wife's health, so it's stopped me from doing a lot of things. So but I'm out today solo, just get out in the outdoors and refresh the mind. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment if you've got one of these and what's the things that you like about it. So thanks for joining us, and I hope you enjoy the video.